Buying toys for kids. Toys are no longer only for entertainment, but have become a cornerstone in building the child's personality, developing his abilities, skills and education, and much more. Toys refine his personality and prepare him in the right way to move towards his future powerfully, confidently, and ambitiously. It is the focus of our conversation in this video, according to what the Al-Bayan Program suggests, based on the point of view of educational specialists. Buying toys for kids. Introduction. Play is a foundation that contributes to building a child's personality. The child's need to play is the same as his need for water, air, and food. Therefore, buying toys for kids is one of the sound educational foundations. We do not forget our childhood and the joy that filled our hearts when we had the new toy. I still remember the train that travels alone on the small track, and I wonder, how does this train travel? And where is its driver? The answer came from my father. This train runs on batteries that store electricity, and I learned information the school wouldn't have delivered to me so easily and quickly. However, the urgent question that must be answered is, how do I match my child's age with appropriate toys? What are the educational benefits that he will gain from his toys? The answer is we provide parents with several tips when buying toys for their children. It is a necessity, not only required by the age stage, but also because of the great benefits the kids gain from playing with it, like nurturing their creativity and imagination. This helps expand their minds and increases their experiences. Toys have varied in our modern world. It has evolved to reach electronic games that help the child become accustomed to speed, concentration, discovery, and knowledge development, so long as he is not addicted to playing with them or harming him. This is the parent's task, to ensure that their children get used to balanced play with it and, at a later stage, to prioritize it so that playing with it becomes valuable and entertaining. When buying toys for children, we may ask about the conditions that parents should consider so that the toy is helpful according to researchers and educational specialists, among which we mention 1. The game should be appropriate for the child's age and abilities by reading the instructions on the box. 2. The materials from which the toy is made must be safe in terms of colors and raw materials. It does not contain glass that threatens the life of the child. The materials shall not be rusty. It does not require an electrical connection. It should also be appropriate for the health status of the child, who may suffer from certain diseases. 3. Relying on speaking educational toys, such as those containing songs for the alphabet or numbers provided by some modern educational electronic applications supervised by specialized educators. 4. Not buying toys a lot, as this spoils the joy of playing for the child. 5. Choose the right time to buy the toy. 6. Considering that the toy is of the type that provokes a healthy activity that is beneficial for the child. 7. Considering that the toy is of the type that encourages discovery and control over things. 8. To be of the type that allows disassembly and installation. 9. To be the type who encourages imitation of adult behavior and ways of thinking. 10. To suit the child's personality and psychological state. 11. Avoid toys that make loud noises. Summary. These are the essential tips to reach a sound upbringing for our children so that they may develop a healthy, educational, good upbringing so we avoid them falling into the trap of unpleasant toys that weaken their personalities and make them captives of violent electronic addiction.